Hello, everyone. My name is Robert Cardenas. Thank you for joining me today. I don't know how you found my video, but I posted on YouTube, so you're probably on my YouTube channel. This is one of my first videos that I'm doing. I just want to kind of introduce myself. I'm a full-time agent here in Naples, Florida. I'm powered by eXp Realty, and I love Naples, and I just want to kind of showcase what I provide to my clients, whether you're buying, selling, or wanting to expand your portfolio and buy a duplex, triplex, or a multi-family property. This is one of the platforms that I use. It's called InfoSparks, and basically it's a powerful tool. It's one of the tools that I use when I list a property and also help my buyers uh, not overpay for a property. So that being said, I'm going to dive into it. I just want to kind of let you know that all agents have access to this, and me speaking to several agents, sharing tips and techniques and so forth. When I lay this on them, like, hey, do you use? Ask them the question, have you ever heard of InfoSparks? And they're like, yeah, I think I have. Is that a service you pay extra from? No, it's not. It's you have access, but they don't use it. So, as a new agent that I am, this is July 30th, 2022. I'm 2 years in the game, right? And there's a lot of agents, 5, 10, 15 years that do not know about this or they heard about this, but they don't use it. It's a good bittersweet type deal because as a new agent, I have a set of skills that are different than the tenured agents and strategies that are very different than they uh, claim to have. And they have more years in the game than and it's kind of sad because these agents should be using this tool. It's it's a tool that it's given to us to provide accurate information and not biased information. This is real data that will help the market as whole, and the agents, if they use this, our prices will all be in line with the market and so forth. So here, real quick, Info Sparks kind of show you here right under Info Sparks. This tab here is the overall market, which is in blue, and I typed in 34109, which is in orange. Now, this here can get down to like specific, like I can custom each tab. Look at all this. I can price range, property type, bedrooms, bathrooms, construction type, square footage, waterfront. I can I'm not going to do that right now, right? It's going to be a 20-minute video. I don't want to stay here too long for you, but this is something I want to showcase you guys that are thinking of selling and wanting to list and they didn't like their agent or they didn't feel comfortable with the agent. I provide data. I don't follow fake news. I don't follow other agents. I don't care if they saw that house right next door last month for a certain price. Each situation is different. They're downsizing, divorce, someone passed away, they got to sell quick. That house is per case basis. That's why your house, your zip code is per case basis. They upgraded, they added stuff to it. You did too, maybe you didn't. So there's a lot of variables that can equate to a certain asking price. It's a lot, right? But this helps give you confidence that I know what the hell I'm talking about. Yeah, you're 2 years in the game, but you know you're a professional. I take my job seriously. I love what I do, and all I deal with is data, data, data. That's it, right? So check it out. This is a quick simulation of a condo in Naples. You can't find nothing under 300, right? So it's a price range of 330 to 550. Property type is a condo. Bedrooms, 2 bedroom. Bath, 2 bath. Is it new construction? No, it's a resale. Square footage up to 2,000 square feet. Waterfront where it has a lake view, pond view, right? This here on the bottom, I can get specific. Like there's so much stuff here, right? Multi-supply, listings, home for sale. Right now we're at price per square footage. So I'm just going to show you price per square footage. I'll show you some sales data on the market. So you can kind of see real data, factual data, and not the fake news. Like, oh my God, prices are going to drop. There's a bubble that's going to burst. There's no bubble that's going to burst. Real estate is steady, stable, and healthy. Period. It's probably going to be with an industry that's going to take us out of this so-called recession that we're in. Or, Biden just did a policy. And anyway, long story short, this is data that I use that helps my clients receive top dollar for their property, and my buyers not overpaying for a property that they love, right? So let's start with this. You know the parameters already. It's a 2-2 condo, 2,000 square feet, a waterfront property. Average price per square footage. Orange is the zip code. Blue is all the zip codes in Naples, right? Naples is not small. Naples 34104, 105, 110, 112, 108, 109, so on, so on. This is just 109, specific zip code. So look at it here. Overall Naples price per square footage is $255. In this specific zip code, it's $272. That's in June, right? So let's go back in May. Look at what it was in May. So there was a little drop, a little dip. Not a meaningful dip, but still a dip is a dip, right? So from $291 to $272, so about $10,000 correction. And that's okay, because we want the market to correct itself. It's going to be healthy for all of us in the future. So anyway, that's price per square feet. So let's go total sales. How many total sales? What are we looking at? Total sales in June, 22 overall of all the zip codes in Naples. But 34109, there's 3. Okay, 3 sales. So let's go back 1 month, May. So there were 2 sales. So there's 3 instead of 2. Overall, Naples, 21 in May, 22 in May. So sales are up, but not really significant. There's no meaningful upside. But it doesn't show a negative. It doesn't show 0, right? That's what we want. We want to stay healthy, right? All right. So let's go to pending sales. This is pending sales. So in May, let's go to June. June, 15 overall, 2 in the 34109. Well, May, there's 3. 2, 3 is 1 difference. Not a big meaningful difference. Home sales. All right, let's see here. Home sales in Naples, overall, 27. Zip code was 3. Last month was 2. So it's not a big difference. You see that? Let's go here. New listings. So overall, Naples, 21 in June, 22 in May. But in 34109, it was 1 new listing. June, there's an extra 2. So it's 3. So there's still limited inventory, which holds the value, especially if there's in this zip code area or community, there's only 3, 4, 5 homes, and there's maybe another 20 or 10 condos in the 34104 area. That 34104 area, the price is going to be a little bit softer, lower, because there's a lot of competition. Not in this zip code. And it's still Naples. It's all Naples, right? But as you can see the difference. This is real data. So, total sales. Let's see total sales. Talking about, oh, there's no sales. Oh my God, no one's buying. Hey, people are buying, but they're slow. It's not as much of the buying, traffic that it was about 6-7 months ago. So June 22, 3. May 21, 2. Same thing, right? What else can we want to go? Days on market. This is good. Days on market. So June, overall Naples, 5 days on the market. 34109 stays on the market for 7 days. Let's go back in May. May, okay, 6. So property is staying longer, of course, because people are not wanting to buy. There's not a lot of listings. There's not a lot to look at. So people are just holding off. And the ones that are buying or has listed, for sale, they're staying on the market a little bit longer. But this is what I use to get accurate numbers. And this is just one of the platforms. So I use other ones, CoreLogic, stuff, RPR. I can name a lot, but this is what I use to provide. This is to showcase what I provide my clients. Hopefully, this was helpful. I didn't want to be a 10-minute video, but it's a lot. And this, like I said, can get super specific. Just want to let you know before I leave, if you're looking to sell a home, I would love the opportunity to meet you, talk to you, give you numbers, um, real numbers. This is one of the platforms I use. You'll get information from here, along with the comps from MLS and the appraised values from the other softwares that I use that appraisers use as well. I do BPOs as well with asset management companies. So um, I love what I do. I also have other skill set as well, mortgages. I could go on. That's another video. But this here is just to show you what I do. One of the platforms that I use. Hopefully this helps out. And give me a call. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to talk to you and guide you the right way. All right. Thank you for hopping on. Sorry the video was 10 minutes long, but it's a lot of data here. Hope this helps. And if you're looking to buy, sell, invest, my name is Robert Cardenas. I'm with eXp Realty and here for you. Love to help. God bless and have a great day.